they easily gave up their ministership. Shaydhan mile jadi, when that we got to know that this is the ultimate goal of life. Ardhan sare. So other material thing we should give up. If we accept this seriously, that is called Ananya Bhakti. No Anya. That is called in English, Sanskrit called Abhyavicharini Bhakti. Bhavichar means when a woman is associated with other male other than her husband. That is called Bhavichari. So our husband, master is Krishna. So if we take shelter other than Krishna, that bhakti is called, we are doing bhakti and other places. That is called Bhavichari Bhakti. So we should do Abhyavichari Bhakti. That is called Kebala Bhakti, Kebal, only. Ananya Bhakti, different names. Ananya Bhakti, no other. That is called Vyavasayatmika Bhakti, means one-pointed focus. Different names. If we accept in such a way, without anayasa chole jay sangsare par, without any difficulty, we will cross over this material. Now question, why you should go there? That one boy, I mean, Vrindavan, nothing is there. Everybody whole day going to the field and grazing the cows. Nothing new is there. No, it is not like that. Bhavapare achechit boichitra apar. In the spiritual world, there are a lot of variegatedness. We explain chitra, boichitra. Who can remember that word? What is boichitra? Anybody can remember that word? What is meaning of boichitra? Vichitrata. Who can remember this word? What is meaning boichitra? Vichitrata.
Many things.
Boichitra means?
Many
Why
things.
is it vichitra? What is means vichitra? What is the meaning of vichitra? Visheshrupa chitra. What is the meaning of chitra? Chitra means amazing. Like in a picture, you can say someone is flying. But is anyone can fly? But in the picture, you can show it. So chitra means amazing thing. The vichitra means very, very amazing thing. The boichitra means very amazing thing. That is in general word is called variegated, different type of things. Vichitra. Bhavapare achechit boichitra apar. Apar means, what does it mean apar? What does it mean apar?
Unlimited.
Par means limit. Par means limit. So apar means unlimited. In the spiritual world, there's unlimited variegatedness. And nitya shanti, nitya sukha karaya vihar. Their shanti, peace and happiness actually eternal. Now, in this material world, we don't have any experience like that. Anything eternal. Oh, how it is possible? Like, if there is no darkness, how there is experience of light? If there is no suffering, how one can experience happiness? So, that philosophy is called Frog's philosophy. As Frog has no experience of Pacific Ocean, I know there is no reservoir like Pacific Ocean. As we don't have that type of experience, we think so. It is not possible that somewhere there is some place where there is eternal peace and eternal happiness. Prabhupada is telling them actually they are mad. Batul kohe tara shab niraka. Actually, okay, who's Satya raised hand? You want to say something? So Batul kohe shata shab niraka. Batul means mad. Here, shata shab niraka. Everything in the spiritual world, there are formless. So that those who are telling in the spiritual everything formless, that means they are Nirvisheshvadi, Nirakarvadi, impersonalist. They don't have any experience. They are thinking in this material world, due to this variegatedness, there is suffering. Human, all living is suffering. So the cause of suffering is accepting this body. So as there is no suffering in the spiritual world, that is why there must be no body, no form, and that is their imagination. That is a Prabhupada. At this they must mad. Batul means mad. Batul kaha shita shab niraka. These mad people think spiritual world actually is like void. Nirvishesh tini jana shunya prakar. Spiritual world, nirvishesh, is like zero. But as Krishna is the Rasar Bhandari, tini Rasa Vaisha. Rasar Bhandari, he is the Krishna is the reservoir of all Rasas. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu says, Akhil Rasamrita Murti. Whatever Rasas are there. What does it mean the Ras? Ras means, Ras is a substance. Ras is substance whose tastes very sweet and whose purpose to unite with each other. That is Ras. So uniting with each other, that is Ras, and whose taste is very sweet. So, and Krishna has all the type of Rasas. That is why his name is Rasar Bhandari, Rasa Vaisha. He is the reservoir of all Ras. Rasik Bhavuk, Shei Hoitar Vas. And as Krishna is the reservoir of Ras, and Rasik means, what does it mean Rasik? Rasik means who has experienced the Ras. This is Rasik. Rasik what means? Who has experienced the Ras. So, Rasik Bhavuk. Bhavuk means, what is Bhavuk? Bhavuk word, we take it negatively. Oh, Bhavuk is sentimental. But Bhavuk actually, without sentiment, how one can love Krishna? Actually, Bhavuk word is a very good word. Bhavuk word comes from Bhavna. Krishna Bhavanamrita Sangha. Krishna Bhavana. Those who developed that Bhavana, they are Bhavuk. Those who develop Krishna Bhavana, they are Bhavuk. So the Ras, those who taste the Rasa, they are called Rasik Bhavuk. As they have tasted Rasa, and that is why they know very well that that Ras, actually, Krishna is the reservoir of the Ras. That is why, as he has experienced Rasa, that is why you want more Rasa, that is why he will search in the reservoir of the Rasa. Sebe hoitar vasha. That is why the Rasik Bhavuk will serve that Lord. Like if somebody has experienced what is mobile, then you saw one shop is there. Only one shop is there in the city. So as he know what is mobile, naturally he will go there. But those who have no experience what is mobile, they will not enter in the shop. So here, as Rasar Bhandari, as the Rasik Bhavuk, he has already experienced what is Rasa, and he knows how sweet is that Rasa is, and that is the ultimate goal of life, and that is only we can get in Krishna. That is why he will serve him under his guidance. And how many types of rasas? Shanto Dasya Shakha Vatsalya Rasar Sarva Ras Srishta Madhurya Rasa. These are 5 rasas. and Sarvarasa Srishta is Madhurja Ras. Why? What is the meaning of Madhurja? Who knows? What is the Madhurja? What is the meaning of Madhurja?
Love.
What is the meaning of Madhurja?
Conjugal,
Love.
sweet.
Sweetness. Honey.
Yes, honey. Honey is the sweetest thing in this world. Honey is the most sweet thing. As it is sweetest, that is why it is honey. From honey, madhu. Madhu, from madhu what comes? Madhu. And it's sweet, sweeter like honey. That is why that ras is called madhur ras. Topmost ras is madhur ras. Chit jagate ras sab hai upadyo. Upadyo means, what is upadyo? What is upadyo? You know anyone? Upadyo means very tasty. Chit jagate ras sab hai upadyo. In the spiritual world, our rasas are very tasty. Maya tedar saya matra kintu sab hai. In the spiritual world, all the rasas are tasty. But in the material world, all the rasas are here. Maya tedar saya matra. But all the rasas here are perverted reflection. Though it is here, but here means inferior. Chit jagate ras sab hai upadyo. Maya tar saya matra kintu sab hai. In this material world, there is no such ras. Like, you see, here in this material world, husband want to enjoy wife, wife want to enjoy husband. That is perverted. Actually, a real thing actually want to give pleasure to other. That is prem. So that is not possible in the human, in this material world. There, Krishna's purpose only to give pleasure to the living entities. And living entities only purpose to give pleasure to Krishna. So that is prem. And by seeing that, when gopis are serving Krishna, why? It is not that gopis are enjoying with that mood. They want to give pleasure to Krishna. But in this material world, as we don't have any experience like that, we think, oh, gopis are enjoying. I should also enjoy like that. As we don't have any experience of serving, that is why is Sanskrit Atmavat Mannat Jagat. All thieves are thinking others all the thief. So in this material world, due to our enjoying mentality, we think everybody are enjoying that. Yes, by serving they are enjoying, that's true. But with the purpose of enjoy, one cannot enjoy. Enjoy only possible by serving. We may not have full experience about that, but those who have come into Krishna consciousness, we have little experience. When you are serving, like devotees are serving, those are full-time brahmacharis, part-time devotees. Like those are students.
हाँ जी सर.
When you are coming to the temple, you are coming not to get anything material. When you came in contact with ISKCON, from that time, you have cut off your time from your academic study. You have cut off your time from your other material pleasure. You have spent your money to come to the temple. You have spent money to buy books. So if after coming over here, if you calculate, you are giving your time, energy, so many things. but still you are happy. You may not understand that, but your friend, those who have not come into Krishna contact, they are saying better than you. Oh, their brain is washed. They're using my friend like anything. They're using him, they're taking his money and engaging him in service and engaging him in cleaning the toilet. So by serving, you are getting pleasure, but your friend, those who are not yet Krishna conscious, they are seeing from outside, oh, he is exploited by this karma. So as the gross material sense gratifier, that is why they cannot understand you are enjoying here. Chit Yogasha Ras Shabhai Upadyo. All this Ras, Shantodasha Shukha Madhu, very tasty. But in the material world, all are perverted, not in perverted, all are inferior. Krishna Jai Bhajashi Hayatya Chatur. That is why those who serve Krishna, they are most intelligent. And Maya Jai Bhajashi Hayatya Phatur. Phatur means bankrupt. Those who serve Maya, they will bankrupt. And Phatur Hoibar Lagi Anitya Vilas. Phatur Hoibar Lagi means to become penniless, Anitya Vilas. Why people are endeavoring whole life? To make their life zero. Whole life, what are they doing? What will happen? Whole life they're studying, earning money, they're doing, but when they leave this planet, they'll go penniless. That means why they're serving whole life? That is why Phatur Laiva, Hoibar like Anitya Vilas. Anitya, temporary, what they are doing, temporary things, only for to become penniless. Sambandha জ্ঞানহীনের হয় কর্মবন্ধ ফাঁস. Who have every whole they day night they are working, but for whom they are working they don't know. That is called sambandha জ্ঞানহীন. Like whole day you are playing football. You don't know who is your opponent, who is your party, where is the goal post, what is the boundary of the field, you don't know, and you're playing whole day. What will happen? Just waste your time and energy. So before playing football, we should know the relationship. Sambandha জ্ঞানহীনের হয় কর্মবন্ধ ফাঁস. Those who are working, but without knowing the relationship with that object, with the Lord, and that work will be his cause of his bondage. What is the Bhagavad Gita verse?
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणो अन्यत्र लोकोयं कर्म.
Look at karma. If you don't do activity for the pleasure of the Lord, other activity will be cause of your bondage. Just simple example. You are working in a company. You are getting salary. Whole day you should work in the company for the pleasure of the owner of the company. But if you, without any activity you do, without the aim of giving pleasure to the owner of the company, what will happen? There is camera and so many CC camera, they will say, what are you doing? Oh, what is the problem? I am talking with my mother. I am writing an email to my friend. What is the problem here? Rascal, it is not for writing email to a friend or talking with a mother over telephone in the office. I am giving salary for this purpose. Jagatat karmana. Annatra loka karma bandhana. If you don't do for the pleasure of the owner of the company, you may think it is good work, but that work will be cause of a bondage. Because this company, this time is not meant for you. This time, 10 to 5 p.m., this time is not meant for you. you will get salary if you work for the pleasure of the owner. And if you don't do any other activity other than giving pleasure to the owner of the company, the cause of bondage. To explain that, Prabhupada gave nice example. Arjun করে যুদ্ধ আর দুর্যোধন করে. Arjun also fighting, Duryodhan also fighting. But Arjun ভকত শ্রেষ্ঠ, Duryodhan more. Both are fighting. But one is topmost devotee, another is this called, what is the proper English? We know. It's not only is a disgrace of his family, of his dynasty. He has polluted his name, his father's name, mother's name, his dynasty's name. Why? Both are fighting. Only the attitude. এক যুদ্ধক্ষেত্রে দুই প্রিয় অপ্রিয় হয়, সেম ব্যাটলফিল্ড. One is dear to everybody, one is অপ্রিয়, not dear. এক যুদ্ধক্ষেত্রে everybody, both are fighting. এক যুদ্ধক্ষেত্রে প্রিয় অপ্রিয় হয়. One battlefield, someone is dear to everyone, someone is not dear to anyone. How to understand that? বুদ্ধিমান লোক যেই বুঝিতে পারে. Those who are intelligent person, they will understand why Arjun is dear, why Duryodhana is not dear. So only buddhiman, those are intelligent, they will understand. That is why Jejana Krishna Bhaja Shivar Chatu. Only intelligent person will understand why Arjun is dear, why Duryodhana is not dear. Bhagavad Gita Krishna said, Karmashu Kaushalam. One should understand the technique, how to work. He is fighting, Arjun is fighting, Duryodhana is fighting, but he does not know the technique to please everyone. One should know Yoga Karmashu Kaushalam. The yoga, how to unite with the Lord, how to become dear to everybody. That technique we should know. What is the technique? As everybody loves Krishna, then like you have seen in our Ujjain temple, when some outside speakers come, what they do? In sitting Bhagavatam class, what they start? From where they start? Have you seen? From where they start?
Glorifying Guru Maharaj and Ujjain devotees.
They start glorifying Srimad Bhakti Chaitanya Guru Maharaj. Because in the audience, everybody love him. So that is why they start from there, glorifying it. That means they want to show, I am also dear to Bhakti Chaitanya Maharaj. That means that I will become dear to everybody. Then they will attentively listen to me. The same way, we love Srila Prabhupada or not. We should glorify Srila Prabhupada. Those who love Srila Prabhupada, they love, oh, he loves Srila Prabhupada. So in the same way, everybody loves Krishna. So if we love Krishna, so those who are loving Krishna, they'll connect with us. Yoga Karmashu Kaushalam, the technique. How one can become like you see one girl from Italy. She got married an Indian boy. And the Indian boy became famous. The Italian girl became also famous. She became an Indian girl. So just by loving one boy, Italian boy became Indian. So if we want to be dear to everybody, just make friendship with someone who is dear to everyone. It is very difficult to understand. I want to become dear to everybody. So how I can become dear to everybody? That if I find someone who is dear to everyone, if I become dear to him, then I'll be dear to everyone. That is why Krishna said that is Yoga Karmashu Kaushala. That technique we should learn. That is teaching of Bhagavad Gita. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki. Any question? Okay, Chittari Krishna.
Hare Krishna Maharaj, Dandavat Pranam. Maharaj, here one point came that Sambandh Gyan Hiner Hai, Karma Bandh Fas. So I was thinking that there is so much requirement.
Just one second. Do you know fast? Fast? Karma on the fast, I have not explained. Karma on the fast?
Fast. Yes, Maharaj, you can explain, everybody will understand nicely.
हाँ. फांसी में लटकाते हैं ना फांसी? Isn't that फांसी?
Yes, Maharaj.
What is फांसी?
With a rope, they tie around the neck and then pull it.
फांसी, one, the rope is tied in such a way, as much you will use pull, as much you will make more tighten. That is the fast. So karma bandha fast means when you work, as much you work, that much it will entangle you. तो बंदर को टार के अंदर छलांग लगाने से टार के अंदर जितना छलांग लगेगा उतना अंदर में चला जाएगा. So fast means that the noose around the neck, as much as you pull, as much you tighten. The karma bandha fast means as many work we will do, the more entanglement. That is called karma bandha fast. Okay, what is the question?
So, Maharaj, I was feeling that there are so many living entities suffering in this way, and therefore there is a great need of preaching to them. And yesterday I was reading Guru Maharaj's quote that for preaching, the most important thing required is compassion. So my question was how to develop compassion for the living entities, seeing their suffering condition. As sometimes, we go in the comfort zone, seeing that I am okay practicing Krishna consciousness, but that compassion does not come. So please explain.
How feel compassion? Have you some compassion with someone?
Sometimes I yes.
With whom?
Who are related with me. Like
yes. Those you love, you show compassion to them. If you don't love, how you show compassion? Family member shows compassion to them. The family member. So if the compassion automatically not come. When you understand the family member in connection with Krishna. Krishna is my father and they are Krishna's son. They is my family member. So that compassion comes. Without understand how you feel compassion. Indian army by seeing Pakistani soldier, feel compassion?
No.
No. Compassion means when you are related with us. When you see related with us, then you feel compassion. So how to that? In connection with Krishna. You connect with Krishna, then you feel compassion. Everybody connected with us, then you feel compassion. If there is no connection, how will you feel compassion? So that is why Prabhupada wrote, কি দয়া করিতে পারে অভক্ত জন, অপরাধী হয় শুধু দরিদ্র নারায়ণ। It's something like that. So those who are non-devotee of Krishna, they have no knowledge about Krishna. How they can show compassion? They will, oh, Daridra Narayan. They have no conception of the Narayan. If they have no conception of Narayan, so how they can show compassion? When you are not connected with Narayana or Krishna and don't feel connected with them, so what is the question of compassion? You are showing you are going there for earning the name and fame. Oh, I'm a great donor. There is not compassion. কি দয়া করিতে পারে অভক্ত জন, অপরাধী হয় শুধু দরিদ্র নারী। It's not nobody they cannot become. They cannot show any compassion. কি দয়া করিতে পারে অভক্ত জন। On the other hand, when they showing compassion, unnecessarily they, oh, we are serving Daridra Narayan. Unnecessarily commit offense by telling Narayan as Daridra, poor. They're so puffed up, they got some wealth and telling Narayan is poor. Okay? Okay? Or
If there is no other, Maharaj, so what I understood, like Sambandh Gyan is very important in this connection.
yes.
And Maharaj, sometimes we tend to become little casual, or sometimes it happens, we go in comfort zone. So would you throw some light on that, like to always remain alert, enthusiastic in this regard, teaching?
Yeah, always you should discuss. Always discuss. You should always discuss. Like in a plane, when you board in the plane, then they'll give some caution. You may be frequent flyer, still you have to hear. You have heard so many times. You should listen. You may be frequent flyer, but you have to listen.
I didn't get this point, Maharaj. What you said?
If you board in the flight, they'll tell you oxygen mask, oxygen will reduce, oxygen mask will come in front of you, their life jacket under your seat. You may be frequent flyer, still you have to listen.
Thank you.
Harsh. Oh.
Hare Krishna, Maharaj. Maharaj, this point you told that we have to work for pleasure of Krishna. So practically in each and every situation, it becomes very difficult to identify whether this activity was actually for pleasure of Krishna or not. So how, Maharaj, we can have that consciousness, or what check we can have that this activity was pleasurable to Krishna or not?
If you cannot understand, we can ask our higher authority. We cannot understand everything. But if we really cannot understand, we can ask some higher authority. But we can everything, like it may come always, like in front of me in lunch time, 6-7 gulab jamun come. If I eat everything, I'll get more energy, I can distribute more Bhagavad Gita. So it will give pleasure to Krishna if I eat more gulab jamun. You may think in such a way. Then ask someone, so should I eat all the gulab jamun because as I'm distributing Bhagavad Gita, Krishna will be very pleased if I eat everything. Ask someone if you don't understand. Normally it does not happen. Sometimes it may happen. That is why for Arjuna's case also, that is Arjuna asked Krishna what I should do. It may happen. That is all, like in winter season. When you sleep breaks due to alarm. How do you think? Contemplate 1-2 minutes. Should I wake up today or not? No, today I think better for, we should not become sentimental, emotional, better to take rest. And now it is Corona days. If I become sick, what will happen? We should become practical. So many things, mind will yeah. If I become sick, then lot of money wasted. Actually, all money belongs, my money belongs to Krishna. Krishna will not be happy that I am wasting my money by becoming sick. If I take rest, Krishna will be very happy. So this type of indecision always will come. That is why we should remain proper Krishna conscious, always in association with devotees. So we will not understand this instruction is coming from Krishna or from Maya. It's very difficult to understand. Okay, I think no more question.
Hare Krishna Maharaj, Dhanwad Pram.
Hare Go.
Maharaj,
Jai.
Maharaj, I want to ask one question regarding this point only. So, as you told that we should confirm our higher authorities, whether what we are doing that is in line with Yagami, that is in line with pleasing Krishna or not. So sometimes we ask our senior devotees who are experienced in that particular field. Suppose I am going for school preaching, so I someone, but still it lingers in our mind that whether I should put faith on that devotee or I miss, because that sometimes matches with our own mind also. So sometimes we couldn't able to put faith on that devotee, although he may be experienced and senior. So what should we do at that time? We should put faith on that devotee, or we should again confirm to some other devotee like that?
Bhagavad Gita said, Shanshayatma vinashyati. The doubtless soul will vanquish. You have to put faith on someone. If you don't, if you are unable to put faith on the devotees, ultimately we put faith on Maya.
Ourselves.
No, ourselves, Maya. Oh, nobody is good in the atmosphere. Better I should get married. He can better guide me. She can better guide me. So nobody can guide better here. So if we don't find anybody to help us, then we will find someone who will help us. Yeah, I'm not telling everybody is counseling is the best, perfect, but you have to find out someone. Arjun was friend of Krishna, but he got the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita after 100 years old, because he was not surrendered in such a way before that. That is why Krishna never spoke Bhagavad Gita. It is not from laziness or partiality from Krishna's side. Arjuna was not prepared to listen. He, when in the battlefield, that time he surrendered. Before never he surrendered in such a way. So Krishna put him in such a way to make him surrender. So that is why when we are consulting in different person, that we will not surrender. So Krishna will put in such a situation, that time there is no other way other than becoming surrender.
Thank you, Maharaj, for such deep answer.
How are you? Fine?
Yeah, recovering from COVID positive.
Okay. It's a good news actually. You got antibody or COVID. Those who are not very infected, they are fearful. You are victorious. You are not worried about not traveling. You have no antibody. Okay. Anybody has any other question or comment? Okay. Everybody fire up and preaching. I think everybody heard that Ujjain is celebrating on grand festival for promotion of Bhagavad Gita. Gauranga Prabhu Amol Lila is coming. We need to only active support, not support. I want to do that. You should active involved is your project. So take it seriously. The first time we are making this type of grand event. And you discuss with the devotees, it's not yet finalized. Give everybody's input how to make it a grand success for the pleasure of Guru, Prabhupada and Krishna. Hare Krishna.